To my future employer, good day. I am Clyde M. Manipon. I am 32 years of age from Zamboanga City, Philippines. I am a graduate of 2-year course in Information and Communication Technology. I am married with 3 kids and all of them are boys, ages 8, 3, and 1 year old. I have my experience being a helper in Davao City, Philippines way back 2019. And I finished my contract here 2021. Their household member composed of 5, 2 adults and 3 children. My main responsibility is to take care of their 3-year-old and 5-year-old son. Aside from taking care of their children, I also do the cleaning, washing their clothes, cooking their meals, and ironing their clothes. And sometimes I do the market. I would love to describe myself being honest, trustworthy, responsible, lovable, and fun to be with. If you will choose me as your helper, especially to your children, I would love them as my very own. And in your home, in your household, I will do obediently all the assigned tasks. I hope someday, in the future, we can have a good working relationship together. Thank you.